Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail Arkarmalim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Hill Farmers Union celebrates its 31st anniversary in Umulong. Skeletal remains recovered on the banks of a river in Ribhoi district. Antinarcotic Task Force police arrest 4 drug peddlers in Police Point Lankra. And Calisthenics begins to popularize in Northstown. And now the news in detail. The Hill Farmers Union HFU celebrated its 31st anniversary in Umulong Community Hall, West Jaintia Hills District on the 13th May. 3 farmers and reputable animal herders were venerated on the occasion, which includes Yonis Lingdor from Mupliang, Rilot Dakar and Rubinus Sayo. Present in the occasion includes Wailatmiki Shilla, MLA Juwai, who graced the occasion with Bremley Lingdor as the guest of honor, Commander President and Alphonbert Carcentil, General Secretary. Officers from different government departments of the district and leaders of Farmers Union from other states of India attended the program. Leaders of the Farmers Union and Wailatmiki Shilla in their talks urged farmers to unite for the welfare of all and upgrade agricultural activities. Wailatmiki Shilla assured the farmers to assist them in order to uplift their occupation in the district and the entire state. He reminded them that MLAs and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma could provide food on the table due to the hard work of the farmers of the state and the farmers all over India. He urged the farmers to be proud of their occupation since they feed thousands and thousands of people.
Ile wahap UM daga Hill Farmer Union. Ile hap MB ni union. Nei hai le wo pai wo ya kelami nei bentai won ijinduna yang nong rep. Tadi ka ko nang kong do to MB ni. To M ke jini ni. Kata do ko nang kong do. Tang la pai ni ni siau si uyo. Ngajan to duk dukat ini nong rep yang i po West Jaintia. Ini tang cicing lem to, tolong to. Tang cicing lem to. Hewan kecingnya teli. Hewan kecingnya teli yang ini, pak. Lada buntu gini kinong yalam yang pilek mandi ini program. Ini pak, ada yang wanra yang kita kecingnya teli. Yang yang yalam nei bentar itu ijing duna yang pi. Mentu kamar yang kelam gini ciput kita ijing MKam. Judau hak yang kelam buka sorkan. Ni nak celebration ku di hari ni. Kita juga lek kemen lekat ni ya wan ni. Lepas tak man ku video kita ni hidup tak dengan roh mas kata tip saat ni presiden sekali aja. Memang jangan lupa. Tengah kamu orang ini ku nengkong lo hingga tahu kan kita tadi. Lalu memang kita tadi use nyau. Memang kita dalam yang BJP hak kau surrender, hak kau dem macam di nomor. Nei bentar yang itu di legally act. Kiumut kiu pas kita ekor dari ini bentar. Kiu wakta ia kinong le. Dah kejung ia ki ia ki, dah kejung ia teli ia ki. Hado central government hak ko. Tenai te dau ki le, le dak wa ki wa te kejung MKam ia ki, demands ia ki. Uman ia usiau kita ki wa halor ia ki. Ibanang kong do to em ki. Badai ju ipor ko a. Kau arto usnyau sorompi ada di kami nomor. Tahu usnyau sorompi. Kamu omongin orang kelam ni dibagi pakat ni ki binai kami nomor. Tanaman dah ki ki kon di memang pure de bentaro man di doktor maran. Memang. Itu gua lai doktor maran yang unjuk sit MBBS ini dah lai doktor maran. Kami di MKam nengkong dalade ki to kami nomor to usnyau sorompi dalade to iki nomor. Kan mohan mengalah ada mana ngeli ada membi nomor di ubam sama dulu. Chief Minister di ubam. Kita ki he di ubam. Tenai te dau MKam i to usnyau sorompi ke kami. Mana usnyau sorompi ke kami yang i MKam le man ikut punya. Man ki expert itu. Kamu mandiri.
The Ribhoi police team recovered skeletal remains of a body which cannot be identified whether male or female on the banks of a river situated between Nyangbaru Lom and Pahom Maulin. 20.MAY district in 19 under the Bernihat outpost. As per the reports from the Superintendent of Police Ripoy district, informed that the skeletal remains of a body was found by the residents on the 14 May at around 10:30 am on the banks of the river, and the village headman informed the police immediately. On investigating the matter, it is discovered that the body does not belong to anyone from the area, since there were no reports on missing persons. Therefore, it is concluded that the criminals must have dumped the body in the river a long time ago, which left the body decomposed and only with skeletal remains. The remains was taken to Civil Hospital Nongpor to proceed with post-mortem. At around 3 p.m. on the 14 May, Antinarcotic Task Force ANTF East Khasi Hills, following a tip-off, intercepted 4 drug peddlers on the road near Nazareth Hospital, Police Point Lime Kra. The items recovered and seized from the 4 accused includes 11 soap cases containing heroin weighing 154.2 grams, 4 mobile phones, cash of 63,400 rupees, and a Maruti Alto K10 bearing the registration number ML05Q1599. With the intention to encourage youth in Nongstoin interested in calisthenics, a youth group from Nongstoin, known as the Nongstoin Youth Calisthenics NYC, invited all the youths to participate in the street workout calisthenics battle meet-up contest. Rehearsal Jones Nyota is one of the pioneers of calisthenics in the state. He encouraged the youth in Nongstoin by present and participating in the contest. The winner of the contest was Daborlang Lingkhoi, followed by Biang Borlang Marthong in the second place and Rickson Khardum in the third place. Best Combo Athlete Award was claimed by Daborlang Lingkhoi. Youngest Player Award was claimed by Robert Lingdok Marshallong, and the Most Decent Player Award was claimed by Matchaprang Walang.
Kini bagi lakukan kepat dengan abangan dan dia dia kajik sang juga kalau kamu apa berkat ba taya dingla dan post yang bagai kai dia kapan kong apa berkat nak sampai mundur ba hadu kat ni bagi karkum lek kai suki ka long misal kai mah hadu amla mundur kala long kajing bot juga kajing lek kai suki kala mundur bagi lala bali yakun di sabar nomor balai karkum i juga bat di mana sabar kala long baik kumju nomor balai kasong stang kinong erap kinong ban tam kalit kawan sabar tangkatahi kajing but ngakwa yakin bakin yakun sabar nomor Shillong nomor ngai ba kilai apet dia Shillong ngakwa bat kau kajing but ngapat ngakwa yakin bakin yo balik sabar ken ning ba sapatat nga kerpat ning ba laden katukat ni ki ba la menyerap ning ba jong ki kan man la di simat nga ngam tabyang nang yeng di bangala ni long ngai rap mo yakiban ban yo alek sabar re ning ba da jingrap jong nur te long ngaruk masuk kemer kan iya ki begini kun sabar te kata ka jingmut nga ka banga kwa bangan kemen ka mesim iya ki begini kun sabar tak tai
ka jingmut jo phi ka lomba kat kum ka ji i jo phi ba kini ki khna jong ni ka than jong kila tebit
ka jingmut nga hani nong ston nem long banga i ka kum le ka jo ki ka long next level te ke tak tai ka long respect ki
kila long rengkat dor ban kun sabar.
Rupda Lato, a 22-year-old from Panaliar, Jowai, got selected to represent India at a beauty pageant known as the Aura International, which will take place in Antalya, Turkey. On the 13th May, she urged the people of the state to support her quest and encourage her to reach her goal. Havens Cove Nature and Environment Protection Society, along with the presence of Wan Prang Gasa, in charge librarian Jowai as the chief guest, Dr. Everest Mersing as the guest of honor, along with others, family members and invitees venerated the young woman and encouraged her to soar high. Just as a reminder, the young woman got selected to represent India in the Aura International after she won in the recent beauty pageant Rubaru Miss India Elite. Supporting Rup Da Lato, Songasim Rungsung, winner of Rubaru Mr. India, attended the occasion.
Say thank you for having Scope, for having this program for me. A very beautiful and impressive program, I might say. So I would like to thank the chief guest and Sir Everest for being present here. And yeah, so I would like to share about my journey of how I've reached this far. So the organization that I got through was Rubaru Miss India Elite, and I undergo through several rounds of interviews. It was all online process. That's why, like most of you, did not see the process in my posts or in the news as well. So that's why everything was undergoing online, and I had to go through several of rounds, in which it was quite challenging for me, because there they tested my character, my personality, and my behavior. Because even though they say it's a beauty pageant, it's not only the outside beauty, right? Because beauty doesn't come only from the outside. If you're smart, that's beautiful. If you're intelligent, that's beautiful. If you're kind, that's beautiful. So I believe that even though it's called a beauty pageant, it's not only meant for the outside beauty, it's meant for the inside beauty as well. So I was tested with all these challenges as well during the rounds of interviews. And then finally, I got a call that I was selected as the Rubaru Miss India Elite Aura International 2023, and that I will be representing my state, Meghalaya, and my country, India, in the national and international pageant. And this pageant that I will be attending now in September 17th till October 1st will be the biggest pageant held in Antalya, Turkey. So I would like to say that I'm really proud and happy for this biggest opportunity that I've received in my life. And I will really not forget, the first person I would like to thank is God, because without Him, I will not be here. And through my faith and belief in Him, I believe that I've made it this far. And for my parents and my family, they are my biggest supporter, I would say. Because I think after I completed my 12 studies, I went with my further studies in Dehradun, but it was a science, so I didn't have much interest in it. And then after that, I told my father that I would like to change again, and plus it was the lockdown during that time. I told that I would like to change in Bangalore. After I went through Bangalore, again it was something related to science again, but I didn't have much interest in it, honestly. That's why, so I was completely honest with my family members, each and every one of them. I told them that I have different goals in life, and every person is not meant to become a doctor or lawyer or engineer. I really believe in this, because we are all meant and brought up to this world with different talents, and we must showcase this talent in every different way that is possible. So I told them that I would like to pursue a different career. And then I started with my fitness journey. Then I started to help and train other people as well, and which was, I must say, it was a success. And then from there I fell in love with modeling, with fashion industry. Then I started to put more interest in the fashion and the pageantry world. And then I first competed in 15.MAY Miss India. This was a different organization, but I completely failed out there, and I did not get through those different rounds of selection, and I was not selected at all. But that did not let my hope down. So I kept working on myself. I challenged myself to become a better person, and then I believed in God. That was the first thing that I must say, that I've kept my faith higher and my hope stronger. And then I believe that, then I found out about this Rubaru Miss India. And then I reached out to them, and then they helped me connected with the several interviews and all that. And so after the several rounds of interviews and selection phase, I must say that I was selected as the winner, and I will proudly be representing my country. And I hope that each and every one of you present here, and even around my state, my town, that you all will support me. I'm not saying financial support or any kind of support, but if you just tell me that you are proud of me, or if you just tell me one line of saying all the best for your journey, that would really melt my heart, and it will really push me to work on myself and become a better person and represent my country with pride and dignity. Thank you.
After being abandoned for almost decades, the RC Lower Primary School, Milli Maubla, on the 15th May inaugurated 2 classrooms, which is a blessing for the students of the school in Milli Maubla. Almost 70 years, the school in Maubla had served the students of the community, but it is unfortunate to witness the small classrooms which accommodated all students from nursery to class 5. Teachers often complained on the matter but left unheard. The plight of the teachers reached Hamletson Darling when he was anti-MLA. Wasting no time, he forwarded a scheme of about 5 lakhs through the SRWP 2022 to 2023, and the school received its classroom through this. Reverend Father Sylvanus Nonkenry, Assistant Parish Priest, St. Paul's Parish, Upper Shillong, praised and expressed his gratitude towards the gentleman who had come to the rescue of the students and teachers of the school.
Ngaruk ngasmen lang batpi nam ta kadik yang school ke bat mai bat kadik ke school kalong bakalong manta dei hakawi kasien ba ki khot yang ara po ka balang ane po lo sa namar bi kiong baham gidon kam ka jengerap po ka balang jungi ngawan bana ka jengerap iti hangni po ka balang kinawa balang gidon lang baladep kata juga jengerap junga kialam ni ngasis kenomon pe ka school habanga poi ban pet ke school ngalajen keladan tang kawai ke kamera kelas nado kelas E hadu kelas 4 kia shamlan pumno kilo hikai kini kai ki school te kelas E 1 2 3 4 hadu kamera kelas ki sham ngalasos te habanga pet ki school ngasos ne mga pet ye kinong hikai ngong kini kai kumno kat ne ngot ki ben sempre hal tu ke ski ngong nganerap bantachano artlik kamera kelas nata ke school ke jongpi di kala shilpet yang ngong tip kadai ni kamdai ne yo stok moendre maria kular komta la perkre kot bisa bar khoi bat manta ke di school ke long komni baklo manta di ngasko bonai khope ke pangi pi kalong ke jing suk namta kira ke school bar kalong ru ke jing suk namta jongpi ke na kelas
Kalau bedi Pak Hamlet ngaruh dengan itu dan seni ini mo, jadi ngereng menong, nampai ini kabel baru menjungi bagi tu yang kasih sisa, kasih sang senam ia teritang lain senam, kata ngalah ban sapi tikam bakrau berlalu. Hari dalari apa milek, cakap baper, laki kambalang, neki kam Shillong, bedi bagi para bangsa jungi yang Pak Hamlet ilek dagakam. Kata kali mengasung, but tidak skam hado kata-kata yang kata kaji ndrei karo kompekat di bro ka kolong dagomwe ngamar katin karta kadang biang ba I dang iham samla shishu namar les ta ki jikit di patia sipor gila lah bilang physically fit ba no but kan get por ngamar katin sayo lak ban trei hamba what chief minister jong imen suaro usiong hidaladi yo mati ka jingra galaran sa trei hamba shishu jadi kitbok ba Hamlet na marakarta kadang biang kajingan note lada pila ban proof niya kata abay yung ajan kalalendang ban peg ba katungat kita tangkoy classroom ban yung anle ban idale siya no hari jingim juma ngaru lalong kadar bon sina mentalay kusan sina hasi Paris mengiwan dan kiam nale sisen dengan itu way malila ay ngada ka wakor daru kanre dala po siya balakpat kakam trikam kata ka wakor daru Tendrai berbalik dan akam ngamar takin kapor kanum Islam dari Pak Hamlet ini jawab yang kalap dan syukri mar bedon kam dei kata te kamen sen kajing ang tunod kajing kang mo kajing ang nun nakata dawi ni kina sekolah ngaku apa nai quotation bawang kumne kinong hikay hatin pareng weu breu jongi hakabalang ibraseng ni gawi ka seng jongi breu kinang yong missionaries of St. Francis de Sales MSFS Kala gidon hangtay po amlaran gidon. Hagaw hati gidon. Nangta siya po West Khasinews ro arlay jaka gidon. Mo kumhamaw klang. But siya po ta nong siya tayo nung lang siya tayo sedang jadi missionaries of Francis Vincent. Nong Saint John Key bakerteng Peter Mermier wong kinikintin. The heart of education is education of the heart. Masnap bahas mo pernah haftul 3 jimut pagkabacalir. The heart of education is education of the heart. Kamu kasi start pa siya pa pinay din na daya kamun sim ka donut. Kubangong ipi kasi kamun sim jong iba hamlet kanle bat midale siya. No? Kung kibra jong ille, hindi kibra. Kaya yakin ni kinahintay ka jo. Kata nanti pima gicing menghintay kumien relapidon kata kuhate. Kata ka donut. Kan dong doa di por penangwan ro. Idon kam kun kiliki mengelam di padang sama di baklan, bat di bang lut pan train na kabenta kalaway berkenai jong kari kisah guru.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.